All right, so this is the Spy Labs Incorporated Forensic Investigation Kit. This was a fun one. It's got a ton of little experiments in here that you can do, from invisible ink to finding fingerprints and how to determine counterfeit money and things like that. This was a really cool little setup. You put together a little lab and everything. It's fun. I actually enjoyed it. My son loved it. I will say that depending on your methods and how quick you are, this is a kit that would probably last you a good week or two. We let it kind of go for a couple of weeks. Each day we did a little something different, and it was pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie, I actually enjoyed it myself. We made fingerprints and all kinds of secret invisible ink, and pretty cool. Definitely take a peek into this. Now, in this particular kit, it comes with everything you need to build your toolbox. It's got a UV flashlight, which can be used for other projects. So if you've got rocks or gems that glow in the dark, that's definitely a piece that you can use with those. There's everything you need is pretty much in here. I will tell you that one of the things that upset me the most was the fact that it doesn't tell you that you're going to need to go to the store and buy like lemons and things like that. So keep that in mind. You will need to kind of investigate what's in here before you say, hey, let's go ahead and get started on this, because we needed I think 3 lemons for multiple projects that were within this this particular kit. So keep that in mind. You may have to go out and buy additional things from the grocery store. But overall, it's a very cool kit. Everything's washable and reusable. So definitely keep that in mind. Don't use it and throw everything away, because kids are kids. They're going to find a way to use the tweezers on something else. They may use tweezers to play with Legos. Who knows? But definitely something that's worth the money. So again, if you've got a kiddo that's into science and stuff, I highly recommend this. I will put a link in the description below for this. I think I got this on Amazon, relatively inexpensive. So check it out. Yeah, it's definitely worth looking into if you've got a science buff in the house. All right, well, if you enjoyed this, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, on to the next one.